Uh-oh, my animals have gone. Can you help me put them back? A cow. Cow starts with the letter C. K, 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 cow. Sheep. Sheep starts with the letter S. Sh, sh, sheep. A pig. Pig starts with the letter P. P, p, pig. A chicken. Chicken starts with the letter C. Ch, ch, chicken. Frog. Frog starts with the letter F. F, f, frog. Mouse. Mouse starts with the letter M. Mouse. A bee. Bee starts with the letter B. B, bee. Cat. Cat starts with the letter C. K, k, cat. Snake. Snake starts with the letter S. S, s, snake. Dog. Dog starts with the letter D. D, d, dog. We found a dog. D. Mouse. Pig. P. Snake. S. Sheep. Sh. Cat. K. Frog. F. Chicken. Ch. Bee. B. And a cow. K. Thank you for helping me find my animals, and I'll see you soon.